how to make rim shots like CESCO, garage, dubstep, etc. Okay, so we're synthesizing in Serum2 and I'm just going to place a note. Now I'm using G3, but I'll change the octave and stuff to suit it. So we're going to start with wavetable position 3 and it's triangle, random down. Cool, see that? Very short to start with, and then we're going to add this for the pitch glide. Add it to here. Add this to the level as well. This one is staccato as possible. Cool, and it's quite high up like that. Jump in the noise section, and this isn't strictly synthesis, but there's the sampling element of in here attack misc. There's a few different rim sounds, so this one's snare rim. I'm gonna add a different one here. Look, press this button, just a one shot, create this. Cool, and then check the levels. Pitch it up a bit. There's a couple you can try as well. One of these kicks worked well. Maybe that one. But let's stick to the rim sound. This one better. I think that one's better, you know. That one. I'm gonna filter the oscillator, so come across to the high one, get a resonance boost. It's on A. Maybe there. Do want a slight bit of movement. Now at this point, because I've played the rim shot 300 times or something in the last minute, my ears is scrambled and I'm like zooming in on it too much and I don't know what rim shot sounds like anymore. So what I'm going to do is go in the effects. You could take a break at this point, probably smart, but I know that this might tighten it up a bit. And a little bit of soft clip. Could try some comb. Sort of tuning it up a bit and reduce the mix. Try a little bit more distortion maybe. Pull the mix down. A little bit of convolve. Medium. And let's have a look. A little bit of boostage. It's quite a nice area. One more EQ maybe, because there's two elements to the rim sound. There's like the wooden hit, like the side of the hit, then there's the body sound, which is the snare without the rattle kind of. Maybe we'll add a little bit of white noise as well. Right, add a bit more of, let's try a bit more soft clip. If it's too harsh and stuff, you can saturate it more. Try this board. Just wet it up a little bit. Not sure whether I'd use that or not. Maybe not the board. maybe just the slightest bit. Anyway, let's give it a listen in context. Guess that sounds quite wooden, quite like wooden residence. Let's try a quick bit more distortion, can sometimes help. That's quite good. Cool, so that's it, how to make a rim. My guy V Medium in the Patreon showed me his EP. His EP got released and pretty fire, give it a listen. Opera and by V Medium. He's in my Patreon. Been following the channel, tells me that I've helped him a lot and stuff, so it's really good for me to hear that. So if you want to send any ideas to me that you want to show me, just send them through the Patreon or just comments. You can just email it to basswobbletv@gmail.com. Remember, I've got free sample packs linked below, everything like that. All right.